Hi guys, so about 6 months ago the old Echo Dot had an update and it started playing up in the respect of my custom home automation system, whereas basically like every month I'd have to power cycle the device and then do a rediscovery, rescan the devices, and then it would pick it back up and start working again. And then around 2 weeks ago it had another update which has completely and utterly blocked my custom home automation system, and it will not communicate to it at all. So last weekend I just threw this together. This is a LattePanda single board computer with a screen with some custom software running onto it, which will basically mimic what the Echo Dot does, but only in the respect of the custom home automation system. So it doesn't do other commands like, streaming music or anything else. It's basically just designed for the home automation system because that is all we used to use the Echo Dot for. Now this, in all honesty, is a bit flaky at the moment. I'm not sure whether I'm going to continue with this. I might, it needs tweaking and tuning, because when the telly's on, sometimes it will just action things by itself. Sometimes it will just ignore you if the telly's on. It's a bit loud because the microphone's picking it up over the top of what you're saying, etc, etc. So I'm in two minds whether to continue with this project or whether to try and fix the Echo Dot and get it working again with the automation system that I've got in place. So as an example, Alexa,
go ahead,
turn on living room side lamps. So as you can see, the wake word worked, and as you can see, the lamp is now on. So I can also say the other wake word, which is Jarvis,
go ahead,
turn off living room side lamps. So as you can see, so that's a quick demo of a custom speech synthesizer voice recognition, which is based upon the Microsoft. I didn't invent the synthesizer or the recognition engine. That was part of the Microsoft synthesizer and recognition, and then built into a C# application that runs on the LattePanda SBC. So as I said, don't know what to do, whether to continue with this and improve it and make it better, or whether just try and get the old Echo Dot working again. Okay guys, thanks for watching.